Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to make $1,000 a month online. Making money online is a great way to earn extra income or even replace your full-time job. But it's not always easy. There are a lot of different ways to make money online, and it can be hard to know where to start. That's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to give you a few simple tips on how to make $1,000 a month online. These tips are all based on my own experience, and they've helped me to earn a consistent income online. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your online income to the next level, I hope you find these tips helpful. Here are a few of the ways that you can make money online. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales that you generate. Dropshipping. This is where you sell products without having to stock any inventory. You simply find a supplier who will dropship the products for you, and you take a cut of the sale. E-commerce. This is where you sell your own products or services online. You can set up an online store or sell products through a marketplace like Amazon. Blogging. This is a great way to build an audience and generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. Freelancing. This is where you offer your services to businesses or individuals on a freelance basis. You can find freelance work on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. These are just a few of the many ways that you can make money online. With a little effort and dedication, you can start earning money online and reach your financial goals.